Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a second hard drive or disk on your Windows 10. As you can see, I already have two hard drive here and one flash drive. So the second hard drive, this is the NVMe M.2 SSD. So if sometimes there's a user that after installing the hardware, the SSD or hard disk, old hard disk for example, the device is not detected in here. So maybe you need to install the driver first, like a SSD from Samsung. So there is a case like that. So if you got that trouble, you can go to the disk management first. You can right click and click this disk management option. So this is all the drive that installed on your computer or on your PC or laptop. So you can create a new one here or install one. For example, this is the analogy. So without format it, you can extend you can add this a disk. For example, you can change drive. You can create a drive letter first and so on. So don't go to Windows Explorer first. After you install the hard drive, you can go to the disk management first to make sure your disk is enabled in here. If not, it means you have to reattach the SSD or hard disk first on your motherboard. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.